One of the best things about owning a truck is being able to use the bed, so today we're going to make it easier and more enjoyable to use the tailgate by installing this Dee Zee Tailgate Assist on our 2015 Ram. This is Dee Zee's Tailgate Assist shock kit designed to fit your 2009 to 15 Ram. This kit easily installs on your tailgate to assist the factory tailgate cables to let your tailgate open nice and smooth without slamming down, making your life safer and easier. There's no drilling required and all the necessary hardware is included. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Tools you'll need for this installation: a tape measure, 5mm hex key, 10mm wrench, 13mm wrench, a pair of scissors, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers or vice grips. Okay, the first thing you want to do for this install is open up the tailgate. Okay, grab your nut insert and you want to adjust it to where from the top of this washer to the top of the bolt, it's a 3/4 inch of spacing. So from here to here, you have 3/4 of an inch. All right, then you're going to locate this hole on the driver's side of the tailgate and install your nut insert. Then you're going to put a 10mm wrench on the nut and then a 5mm hex key on the bolt. You want to hold the bolt in place. You do not want to turn the bolt. Then you're going to do 9 rotations with the nut. So I'm going to do quarter rotations here. So I need to do 36 quarter rotations. Once you get the nutsert tight, you can remove the bolt. Locate the ball mount and apply some of the provided thread locker to the threads. Tighten it with a 13mm wrench. You only need to torque this to 8 foot-pounds. Locate the T45 Torx bolt that secures the upper portion of the driver's side tailgate cable and remove it. Grab your ball mount plate and install it with the bolt that you just removed. Then remove the T45 Torx bolt on the bottom of the cable. This motion limiter on the bolt needs to be removed. To remove it, we're going to pry up one edge with a flathead screwdriver. We're going to pinch the thinner washer with some vice grips and then rotate the bolt out of it. And now the limiter can come off and the bolt can be reinstalled. Measure 3.5 inches from the top of the cable, and this is where you're going to install the cable clip. And if you don't get it in the exact right spot on your first try, you can slide this up and down to adjust it. Perfect. Use the provided Mylar sheet to protect the bed and tailgate from rubbing components. Just peel it off, make sure your surface is nice and clean. We're going to install this piece right here. Cut off a smaller piece, and that's going to go right here on the bed. We're now ready to install our assist shock. Install the larger end on the ball mount plate right here. Just push it on, and then the piston end will attach to the tailgate. And our install's finished. Okay, we got our Dee Zee Tailgate Assist Kit installed on our 2015 Ram, and you know, this is one of those things where you don't really know how awesome and convenient this thing is until it's actually installed on the truck. It makes opening the tailgate an easy one-handed operation. It's just going to make your life a whole lot simpler. Install is pretty straightforward. It should only take you about 30 to 45 minutes to do this, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.